poetic forms. Haiku, a 3-line poem with 17 syllables. Line 1, 5 syllables. Haiku usually contrasts two images from nature or daily life. They may also include a seasonal word or a moment of discovery. Limerick, it is often comical or nonsensical. Examples include the Mother Goose nursery rhymes. The rhyme scheme is /A1. The rhythm is line 1 dash dash slash, line 2 dash dash slash, line 3 dash slash, line 4 dash slash, line 5 dash dash slash. Sonnet, a 14-line lyric poem. Most are written in iambic pentameter. Rhyme scheme is a bob cd cd ef f g g. Tonka, 31-syllable poem is 5 lines total. Line 1, 5 syllables. What's used between Japanese men and women in love to communicate with each other? Acrostic. The topic is written down the page and each line of the poem begins with its respective letter. Free verse, this can be rhymed or unrhymed. There is no set pattern that is followed. Write in any way about anything however you wish. Ballad, often accompanied by a musical instrument when recited. It is usually a plot-driven story. Often quatrain stanzas. Either the second and fourth lines in each stanza rhyme or every alternating line rhymes. Ballad, a poem of French origin, consists of 3 stanzas of either 7, 8 or 10 lines and ending with a refrain called an envoy. The envoy is usually half as long as the stanza. Sestina. Usually an unrhymed poem consisting of 6 stanzas made up of 6 lines each. The sestina employs word repetition rather than rhyme. The last word of each line in the first stanza is repeated in a different order in the following 5 stanzas. This form was invented by the troubadour poet Rondeau Daniel. 1. Abdev. 2. Feedk. 3. Cfdub. 4. Ikthad. 5. Deep. 6. Vika. 7. Envoy, Ika Oris. Villanelle. A poem, normally, consisting of 19 lines, arranged as 5 triplets and 1 final quatrain. The intricate rhyme scheme of the Villanelle is furnished by the first triplet, A1-B-A2, and is then repeated twice in the form of ABA1 and ABA2 and then concluded with the quatrain rhymed ABA1-A2. Terms. Iambic pentameter, 5 iambs, / in 1 line. Think Shakespeare. Similes, 2 unlike things are compared using a word such as like, as, or resembles. Metaphors, 2 unlike things are compared and one is said to be the other. Terms. Alliteration, repetition of the same consonant sound in several words. Assonance, repetition of vowel sounds in several words. Imagery, a word or phrase that appeals to one or more of our 5 senses. Terms. Personification, human qualities are given to something that is not human. Rhyme, the repetition of a stressed vowel sound and any sounds that follow it and words that are close together in a poem. Rhyme scheme, a regular pattern of end rhymes, rhymes at the end of a line in poetry. Terms. Internal rhyme occurs when at least one of the rhymed words falls within a line rather than at the end. Rhythm, a musical quality based on repetition, the beat of the poem. Meter, a regular pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables in the lines of a poem. Terms, onomatopoeia, words that sound like what they mean. Verse, either a definite number of lines of poetry or a general term for poetic composition. Stanza, 1 or more lines that make up the basic units of a poem, separated from each other by spacing.